Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching ports and cables so data flows cleanly. Identify your MacBook Air port type and the SSD interface, then pick a compatible adapter or cable. This avoids slow speeds or no connection. Once done, attach any required power or bus power cable to the SSD and plug the adapter into the Mac. Do this before inserting the drive if possible. Make sure the SSD is on and stable so Mac OS can detect it immediately when you continue. Next, verify the drive appears in Finder and Disk Utility. If it doesn't show, gently reseat the cable and retry. If the SSD is new or uses Windows formatting, choose apps for pure Mac use or XFAT for cross-platform compatibility, then use GUID partition map as the scheme so both Intel and Apple Silicon Macs boot or recognize it properly. Click Erase only when you're ready because formatting wipes data. After formatting, give the drive a clear name and close disk utility. Finally, validate the connection by copying a 1 to 5 GB test file. This shows real transfer speed and confirms stable read/write. Once done, always eject the SSD from Finder before unplugging to prevent corruption. If the drive isn't recognized, try a different cable or port, use a powered hub, and as a last resort, restart the Mac and reset SMC or NVRAM. These steps often resolve hardware detection issues. If problems persist, test the SSD on another computer to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.